guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey, how you doing? My name is Angela. This is my YouTube channel, and subscribe if you haven't already, and click on the bell so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. So today I'm going to be doing yet another review, just because I've been meaning to do this review, but a lot of things just been happening, you guys. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask. This is what it looks like. So I've used this a total of 2 times. And then focus light. Oh, it's white, you probably won't see it. Yeah, there you go. I've used most of this container. This is really thick. Smells so good. It smells like all the other like blueberry curls, blueberry lime products or whatever. So I'm gonna be honest, this is like the second thing that I've finally decided to try from curls. I haven't really, only thing I usually pick up is the control paste. I don't really touch anything else because I'm cheap, I'm not gonna lie. But at the same time, you can't go bad with quality, and this was at my local beauty supply store, $13.99, which isn't that bad when you normally pay $10 for deep conditioner. So I forked over the extra $4. So I love this deep conditioner. If you watched the demo portion, which hopefully I've uploaded before this, pretty sure I did, not even gonna be like that, but if you haven't watched it, I'll try to link that as well so you can go down and watch that video. But this melted into my hair. Yes, it melted into my hair. Like I didn't have to use a lot. I did it like fresh out the sink, because you know I wash my hair in the sink now. Shower, my hair does not work. I'm super lazy in the shower, and I don't like how my roots are, but that is another video that I need to make. But this melted in my hair. Mind you, my hair was it wasn't soaking wet. It was probably like 85% wet though. And I had just rinsed my hair with warm water, so my cuticles were open because I am low porosity. So I do try to rinse my hair after I shampoo with warm water to open up my hair to better accept the product. So my hair, it melted into my hair. It was so easy to finger detangle. My curls are popping. It smelled so good. Like, it's super thick. Let me see if I can show you. So as you see, it's not moving. It is super thick. Like, it's really thick. Smells good. It feels good. It's nice and creamy. Oh jeez, like I'm trying to stop fangirling out over this product. But so when I put it on my hair, it was easy to detangle. There was nice slip. It easily melted in my hair. A little goes a long way, which I found out. So I did also try it on damp hair and not soaking wet hair, and I noticed I had to use a little bit more product, do a little bit more work to kind of get it worked into my hair. But that could also be because it was damp and my hair was you know, cooling down as well. So I do recommend you doing this on wet hair, not damp hair, just because it makes it easier. Hold on, sorry, they're cutting grass or doing something outside. Jeez, go away. Why is it getting closer? Okay, we're just gonna ignore them because they're not going away. So what's I saying? Okay, the curls deep conditioner. Like I said, it is really thick. I do recommend your hair being wet and you use warm water to like get it to penetrate your hair a little bit better. Like I said, still has amazing slip, smells so good. The scent lingers after you rinse it out, which I love. I don't know if you like that particular scent, but it's not strong. It's just a faint scent that you kind of catch a whiff of, and once you put other products on it, you still smell it, but it kind of mingles with the other smells of the products. I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I would definitely purchase this again. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. I love it. I probably can get, I want to say 1, but I'm probably like, if I like do it smart and do it how I suggest, I could probably get about another 2 to another 2 washes, 2 to 3 washes, depending on what's going on with my hair. I absolutely love this product. This would definitely be in my top 5 deep conditioners. And you know, the other deep conditioner that I love is the Texture ID deep conditioner. Both of them. I actually like 2 of them. The self-heating one and then the original one. Why are they doing this to me? Hold on. So yeah, the original one, and yeah, I really loved, like, this made my hair feel super soft. Like, it felt like butter. Like, it went on my hair like butter, and my hair felt like butter. It was so soft, it was so moisturized. My curls were really, really defined. Like, I have no cons about it. Like, surprisingly, there are some people who have similar hair to me in my life, not on YouTube, because I didn't really look up a lot of reviews when I got this. I just wanted to try a new deep conditioner, and from curls, all I've ever tried was the control place. I never could try anything else, and my go-to thing to always get is deep conditioner. If I like deep conditioner, then I'd be more likely to buy another product. So I definitely love this. This definitely makes me want to try out the conditioner, the shampoo, the gel, but like I said, they're expensive. So yeah, but I give this product, like I said, a 10 out of 10. I love it. It makes my hair feel so good. Like, you just don't understand. Like, if you haven't tried this product, I highly recommend you try it. Like, highly recommend you try this product. If you try this product, comment down below, let me know what you think of it. Let me know your opinion. If you haven't tried this product, did you ever think about trying this product or anything like that? And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Why haven't you subscribed? I just don't understand. Like, what's the point? Subscribe to my channel, comment any videos you would like to see from me, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.